So here's how to enable fall detection or hard fall detection on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic. Swipe up from the watch face and then go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to safety and emergency. Tap on that and then scroll down to hard fall detection. Okay. So tap on that and you can enable hard fall detection and disable it by turning that toggle button on or off. Okay, now when it's off, it's just off. Okay, but once you enable it, you have a few other things. You have a countdown. So as soon as it detects that you've fallen, there's going to be a countdown before your watch automatically calls the emergency number. Okay, so the default countdown is 10 seconds. You can change that to 5 seconds, 20 seconds, or even set your own custom time. Okay, also you can choose to turn off that countdown, which means as soon as it detects that you've fallen, it's going to call the emergency number. Now allow me to go back one step. So under countdown, you have the emergency number. My default is 999. Okay, of course you can change that to 911 or whatever other emergency call you have in your region or country. And then you can choose when to detect falls. So you can set it to only during workouts, which is what it's set to by default, but then you can change that to always or during any physical activity. Okay, so if you're an elderly person, maybe sometimes you're just walking somewhere, you might want to turn it on for always, so that it always looks out for you and detects a fall even when you're not working out. Okay, so you can play with that around, and then maybe you can choose, if you're an athlete, you can leave it at that to only detect falls during workouts. And then you have share info with emergency contacts. So you might have a few emergency contacts. If you don't have, you can tap on emergency contacts and see the emergency contacts in your Samsung account. Okay, and that's basically how to enable and customize the hard fall detection or the fall detection on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Okay, again, at the top of that feature, you can enable and disable like that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.